Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to talk about my short hair. I cut it about a month ago, actually, like 2 months ago, right when Florida's quarantine got lifted. Literally that first week I went out and chopped all my hair off, and I was thinking about it for a while. I get a lot of questions asking, if you get bored with it, is it really, as hard as everyone is saying to maintain, or is it really as easy to maintain? Like, everyone has been asking me, literally everyone. I go to a family party and everyone asks me about my short hair and how I like it, and I'm just here to tell you guys it's just hair, and I literally style it the same way I would if I had long hair. It just takes a little bit more practice. It took me a while to get used to not being able to pick my hair up out of my face when it's been a week that I haven't washed it. So it's been about a week that I haven't washed it, and I just wanted to show you guys the texture, how thick it is, how it looks. So I usually start getting curls at the end and my roots. Everywhere else is pretty straight except for the back. So I'm gonna show you guys. The back gets a little curly or wavy. It gets a little wavy. Oh yeah, let's get to breaking down some hairstyles that are just quick and real easy. I'm gonna do a harder video with harder hairstyles that are for, people that are a little more advanced and can do a lot of braids. All of these hairstyles are going to be heatless, and let's get to it. The first hairstyle, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. My favorite one is to part it along the side. You can be neat or whatever, or messy. Let's get these white hairs out of the way. I cut and dyed my hair a month ago. I do not want to dye again. I have had white hair since I was 17 and they're all over, and now that I'm dyeing my hair and cutting it, I'm getting new ones and they're just there. So putting that out there, there's a lot of white hairs in this video. Part my hair on the side. The side looks, I also feel like I've had more volume with my hair short just because there's a lot more going on up here. Once it's parted on the side, we do like a little section, so like about that much, and I like to tease it here on the inside and kind of let it fall over so you get that volume right there, and then lightly brush the top over. And that is my go-to look.
The trick to perfecting twisties is to tuck and roll, literally. You're gonna wanna tuck all the hair that you're twisting as you're twisting. Don't know if that makes sense, but twisties is honestly the easiest thing that I could come up with for an easy hairstyle. I think everyone can do it. It's literally just twisting your hair, and I do it often. Something to remember is the bigger the section, the bigger the bow. So however much hair you collect up in the ponytail is how big your bow is going to be. I like to take a small section for my short hair, but if you have long hair, I used to do it with my complete, the whole head, the complete head of hair. That makes sense. I used one bobby pin for this, just one. The more hair, the more bobby pins. Also, you see that little flyaway, you could tuck that in and put a bobby pin in it, but just so you guys can see the back, it's not noticeable. I get compliments every single time for this. Welcome to the easiest look on here. Before it is literally just, but I still get asked, why does mine come out like this and yours comes out like that? And I try to explain to people the trick is to open up the knob, but kind of hard to explain. A little tip you guys can do for any sparse areas or balding areas in the front of your head is to apply eyeshadow with a brush, a big blush brush or just a powder brush. Apply it to those areas and match your hair. I was not going anywhere, and honestly I'm not worried about me going bald. But if you are, that's a little trick I learned. You can just take some eyeshadow to your forehead and it looks very natural, by the way. For this look, if your hair is not long enough in the front, like mine is long enough to be able to go all the way around my head and get tied in the back. If your hair is not long enough in the front, you can simply bobby pin it and still do this look. This look right here is one of my favorites. It's the look that I always get compliments and people always say, oh my god, that's why I want short hair, because you could just pick it up and go, not knowing how much effort we have to put into these looks though. This requires effort, but not really. It's almost like the effort is to make it look messy. And the secret to the bun is really just not pulling your hair all the way through, kind of leaving it at a halfway mark, like that. And once it's there and everything is tucked in, you can just roll it up and tie it again. And that's how I do my bun. Again, it can be perfected with more pins, and if you really want to go all out, you can wrap some hair around the ponytail, but this is what it looks like in the back. For my last look, this is something I do with braids often. It's really just two braids going all the way back, but for the sake of making this video super easy, you can do twisties all the way to the back and still make them look very fancy. The trick is to open it up after it's in place. So that one didn't need much opening because I put more hair on that side. As you can see, this side is a little bit more thin and nothing can't be fixed with a little pulling and tucking on it. Not perfect again, but that is the beauty of it, is just having hair that isn't perfect but looks like you put time into it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.